some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? I know. I haven't put out a video in like, shit, 3 weeks or a month, something like that. Definitely been a minute. Did you miss me? Be honest with you, been busy with life. Between work and working on the house. Getting that thing squared away. I just been busy. Whoa, shit, that was slick. And honestly, I really just haven't been into making videos lately. I wanted to do that big push about getting to 1,000 subscribers this year. It hasn't really gone very well, so it's like I just haven't really been into it. Haven't really cared that much. I'm on the CBR Nicole's bike, yes. Don't pay attention to the mirrors, yes, they're different. I bought a brand new set because the original like that on this side was gone when we bought the bike, so I bought a new set like that. Somehow that one got broke, so I had to put the old one back on. Even though I hate riding with mirrors, Nicole needs to, so I put them back on for now. Anyways, like I said, I just haven't been into it. Haven't even hardly got to ride at all. But should slow down now. Maybe I can get back into the groove of making some videos. I think I figured out YouTube though. I mean, haven't got really many subscribers in a while. I haven't put out a video and, you know, I've been putting out videos for like 4.5, 5 years now. Haven't put out a video in 3 or 4 weeks, and my subscriber count went up. Oh shit, what do we got going on here? Wow. Fucking trashy crap. Anyways, I've gained I don't know, like 11 subscribers in the past week or 2. So thanks, all you new subscribers. I want to touch on the the Harley Davidson Sportster S. If we're gonna make a video, might as well talk about something, right? And since this is the talk of the town, I don't know if everybody's remembering, but when a few years back when they announced the Pan America and the Bronx and everything, they announced this bike as the custom. So now they're changing it to a Sportster. Am I okay with that? You can look at it at two, like, you know, a couple different ways, I suppose. I'm not okay with it. It's not a Sportster. Don't call it a Sportster, because it's not one. Sportster's been around for fucking ever, and that's not a Sportster. If you look at it like a car manufacturer, the new Camaros, when the Camaro came back, they tried to model it the same way Dodge did with the Challenger, you know, of tried to make the cars look similar to what they did back in the day. I mean, Dodge fucked that up with the Charger because there was no four-door Chargers. So you can look at it like, okay, it's a revamp of the Sportster. But I still don't agree with it. I like the numbers. You know, it's got the same engine as the Pan America. I like the horsepower numbers. I like the torque numbers. That's all really nice. I like that. Finally putting some fucking power in the smaller displacement engines. But I don't like the name. They should have just left it as that original custom name. Now, a lot of people are digging it. I do not. I mean, I think the bike looks kind of cool, but they use that fucking stupid same headlight that they put on the Fat Bob, and I can't stand that damn thing. I think it's ugly. The exhaust is similar to it. I think it's ugly. I don't know. Just the way I feel, you know, and this is just my opinion. And it's like when I did my Fat Bob video, I got so much hate. I still get hate to this day, and that video is like a year and a half old. I still get hate on that video. People talking shit, say I don't know what I'm talking about, blah, blah, blah. I mean, y'all can hate all you want. I've owned and ridden more Harley Davidsons in my lifetime than most of you people out there commenting on it. So yes, I can have a valid opinion about a bike, just like anybody else can. Doesn't mean I'm gonna hate on somebody else. But I do not like, I like some of the styling, but I don't like a lot of it. It's because it still reminds me of a Fat Bob. And I hope it rides better than a fucking Fat Bob, because those things are junk.
Nice.
But anyways, I'm moving past that. That's really the only opinion I have on that bike. I really don't care about it. I like what Harley's doing, Davidson's doing with the engines. I've always thought that the V-Rod was an amazing bike. They should have never got rid of it. They should have continued with that bike. All these guys saying Harley Davidson shouldn't have liquid cooled bikes. Bullshit. I'll take a Harley Davidson with liquid cooled engine all day long. I personally think it's a good thing. I don't think they should ever got rid of the V-Rod, but they did. It is what it is, can't change it. But I like what they're doing with the engines. I like the Pan America. I haven't got to ride one yet. I have seen one up close. But I like them. I didn't like them when they first announced them. I thought they was ugly. But I kind of always thought that they would probably do pretty decent in the market for an adventure bike, adventure style bike. So hopefully they do well with the Pan America. I really wish they would come out with that bronze. I think that would be a good bike to add to their fleet. Okay, anyways, I'm done talking about it. I was about a mile ago, and then I kept going. Hopefully I can get back to making content now. Trying to anyways. Trying to get motivated to do it. I was really motivated at the beginning of the year, and then I just lost my motivation. It wasn't there anymore to make videos. But it's been a pretty crazy first half of the year, or half a year anyways. Very busy, a lot of shit I've had to gone through and get done. come up with some good video ideas, and I might try them, see how y'all receive them. Oh, just real quick, before I go, I made that one video, I believe I did, I'm pretty sure I put it out, about after the bike warms up, it dies. It wouldn't run anymore after it got to operating temperature. Figured it out. Travis did. Took it over to Travis' house. That fucking stupid adjustment screw that's down here for the idle, it had actually popped out of the bottom of the EFI system, and it fucked with it, so it put it on low idle, and low idle enough that it would not run once it got up to operating temperature. So got it running good again. I got a dickhead behind me trying to fuck with me, so talking. I'm gonna finish riding home. It's been a while since I got to ride, so I'm gonna enjoy this. So make sure you go over and hit up my Instagram, follow me on Instagram. That's where all the good shit gets posted. If you're new here watching this, consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment. My comments work again, or at least they did last time. Leave a comment. And as always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.